In this video I'm gonna show you how to make your first NFT in Procreate. First we're gonna open Procreate. Then we're gonna create a custom canvas of 3000 by 3000. And after that we're gonna start sketching. But before we start, I just released my first NFT collection. They are named Cybercoins and they are now available on OpenSea. So if you wanna check them out, the links are in the description down below. Now let's get back to the video. Here you don't wanna go too crazy, you just wanna make some basic shapes just to get a rough idea on how the character will look like. After you've done that, just start a new layer, change the opacity of the first one and choose black. Here we're gonna add some details and bring the character to life. Add the eyes, lips, ears, nose. Basically just gonna add as many details as you can because there's not gonna be another time to do it. After that we're gonna make a new layer. We're gonna choose red again and we're gonna start adding items. You can add as many as you want. Keep in mind, at the end of this you'll need to generate a maximum of 10,000 NFTs, so you'll need quite a lot. At the end you should have a list like that, and this is an example from my own NFTs. This is the layer list I have. Look how many items I had to make. I think it's like 120 items or something like that, and I feel like 120 is quite a small number, to be honest. You should just test it out and see if the variations look alright and don't look out of place. A quick tip: you need to have them organized. After you got that sorted, you go to export, PNG file, and you have two options: airdrop or Gmail. For this video I'm just gonna choose Gmail because I'm gonna export them via email on my Windows PC. After you export them, you should get a zip file. You drag that zip file into a different folder and you extract them. You should have all your items there.